So I'm currently in a category BA Twin Balcony Stateroom on board the AMA Kristina. It's the same exact as the BB stateroom. The only difference is the BA is on the 3rd floor, the BA is on the 2nd floor. And these rooms are the same for all of the twin balcony ships with AMA Waterways. So when you walk in here, the first thing that you're going to notice is a large vanity. So as with all the rooms on board, they have a mini fridge here, a little storage with wine glasses, and you got your wine opener here. Okay. Back here, you'll find your quiet box. You're going to use these on all of your excursions. So they got a nice charging station for you in here. Lots of outlets, complimentary water, and then you'll see the large iMac. The iMac can be used as a computer. It's also your television and has a ton of movies on demand. Anything that you would need digitally from AMA Waterways, you can find here. So the signature of a twin balcony stateroom is the idea of having 2 balconies. So the first balcony that I'm going to talk about is the French balcony. You see you've got 2 chairs here. Of course, you can spread it out. I put them together a little bit. You can spread it out, and what you'll find is when you open this up, these doors can open up and slide, or they can be closed. So you've got a separate seating area here. If there's inclement weather whatsoever, it's a great place to sit. And if the weather's great, it's wonderful to open up the balcony and have a seat there. The other balcony, which makes it the twin balcony, would be the exterior balcony. So this is the perfect place to be on a nice day, especially when you're cruising the Rhine Gorge, the Wachau Valley, something like that. 2 nice chairs, well padded, and a little table in between them. So it's a great place to sit out. So you can have 2 completely separate seating areas if you have friends over, or just you want 2 different experiences with your cabin mate. This is the perfect room for that. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut that. Currently, the beds are set up in twin configuration. Like all the beds on the AMA Waterways ships, they can be put together. They would move the nightstands to the sides and have one large bed. And one thing I love is that they put the topper on there so that it just feels like one bed instead of 2 separate ones that have been pushed together. You got the lamps by the bed. I love the plugs, and then also the USB chargers. That's a great touch on all of their newer ships. Once again, pillows, bedding, all of those things are top of the line, and I've had an incredibly comfortable night's sleep every night that I've been on board AMA Waterways. So if you follow me over this way, I am going to show you some more storage. Okay, so this is the large closet here. You can see it's pretty big. You have all the hangers, so of course you can ask for more if you need them. You can hang here. You can also remove that as well. Standard in all the rooms are the umbrellas as well, which is something that I really like. And then a little bit more storage over here. In here, you currently have the robes, you've got your slippers, and then the safe, some backup blankets if you're interested, but you can use all of this for storage. Okay. Now I'm gonna head on into the bathroom. One fun little feature here, you can see currently the glass is opaque, and if I press the button, you can see through. So it's perfect if you want that sunlight in, or if you want privacy. Go ahead and set it back there. Follow me in the bathroom. It's a good sized bathroom for a river cruise. You have a single sink. Of course, always the upgraded bath amenities that AMA has. Really, really nice fluffy towels. Toilet, of course. A little bit of under counter storage here. Okay, so you've got some cubbies to store there. And then of course, storage up above here. And then the shower. So I'll open the shower. Beautiful, decorative, of course. It's a pretty good space. For me, as always, the rainforest shower head's a little bit short for me, but I'm 6'6", I'm an outlier for sure. But for most people, this would be an incredibly comfortable shower space. So this has been a category BA twin balcony stateroom on board the AMA Kristina. Once again, the exact same as the BBs. The only difference is the BA is on the 3rd floor, the BB is on the 2nd floor. And this is the same category for all of the twin balcony ships with AMA. So if you're interested in booking this stateroom or any stateroom on board or any river cruise for that matter, please reach out to Harr Travel and we'll be happy to assist.